What is the creepiest unexplained event you know of? My middle child had a weird sixth sense when he was very young, like 3 to 5 years old. Two creepy instances I recall. We went to a local mall one day, and after we'd been there for about an hour, we stopped at the food court to get some lunch. While we were eating, he suddenly gets this weird look on his face and he says, "Why is our car moving?" We looked at him funny and asked what he meant. He repeated, "Our car is moving." We laughed and told him he was being goofy. A couple of hours later, we left the mall and discovered in the parking lot that the parking brake on our car had failed and the car had rolled backwards out of its space and hit another parked car. The guy from mall security who was there said he'd been waiting for about 2 hours for us. We were at an amusement park watching a fireworks display, and I was carrying him because his feet were tired and there was nowhere to sit. As we watched the fireworks, he was pointing in the direction of where they were being launched from, directly in front of us, and saying now whenever he thought another one was going to be launched, and he was pretty accurate. All of a sudden he pointed way off to our right, to nowhere near where they were being launched from, and said, "Huh. The next one is going to be over there." I laughed and said, "I don't think so, they're launching them all from over." I cut myself off as the next firework was launched from exactly where he was pointing off to our right. He then pointed back in front of us, and went back to his game. It was the only firework that was launched from the right.